Hola, mi nombre es Susana Gaviria y este es mi canal Sgreymakeup. El día de hoy les voy a mostrar este maquillaje que es recreando el video de Nikkietutorials. El video es Get Ready With Me, Glow Around the World y nada, si quieren saber cómo lo hice, sigan viendo. Es como un challenge de seguir paso a paso lo que ella hace en su video. Y para eso me voy a poner unos lentes azules. Listo. Vamos a empezar con el video.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki, and hello, hi.
Bueno, voy a saltar como la intro.
My makeup tutorials step by step, and her video went viral, and now basically this is a beauty multitasker that does everything for you. So basically it's like having a facial all in one. The scent of this
Bueno, ella lo que hace es como limpiarse con unos pañitos la cara. Yo no tengo esos pañitos. Entonces lo que vamos a hacer, voy a coger pomitos normales y agua de rosas y simplemente me voy a refrescar la piel.
Like a mask. This does all of that in one go for you. Okay, let me do one final rinse with... Oh, so now we are ready for the K-Cup and the creativity. Right here is called Shameless Foundation by Marc Jacobs.
Bueno, ella sigue con la base Marc Jacobs. Yo no tengo, entonces me voy a aplicar la Makeup Forever Ultra HD en el color Y305. Y ella le empieza a aplicar día a pasitos.
And basically, if you saw me wearing makeup in New York City on Instagram or anywhere, I was wearing the Shameless Foundation by Marc Jacobs. So today I am using it on my channel as well. So let's just apply that and work it in to the skin. Everyone, literally everyone is asking me about this sponge. A makeup artist gave it to me as a gift for extra sponges because this is my favorite makeup sponge out there. Because I wanted to order backups, I couldn't find it. Like, it literally looked like the brand doesn't make these. So I don't know how she got her hands on this. So there's options. Maybe I should find a brand to collab with and make it. Maybe I should make it myself. It would be fun to have my own brand though. I know a lot of people always comment under my...
Bueno, ella coge una esponja y se empieza a aplicar aquí. Pues no sé si sea necesario, pero vamos a hacerlo.
Videos. Oh my god, Nikki, I can't wait for you to one day have your own makeup brand and create magic products and, you know, blow us away. Although I love those comments and they definitely inspire me, I don't know, just anxiety. I don't know if I could handle that with a makeup brand. I want to know who of you have seen Black Panther. I know it just came out. I'm gonna see it probably tomorrow. I cannot wait. Like, I've been waiting for this movie to come out for so long now. I saw the teasers. Quickly gonna do my brows off camera because...
Cejas fuera de cámara, entonces voy a hacer lo mismo. Bueno, ella dice que va a estrenar una paleta de Juvia's Place, o sea, de estas. Yo no tengo la que ella está usando, que es una como naranjadita, pero los colores que tiene son muy parecidos a los de esta paleta, la Morphe 35B Color Burst, que es esta de acá. Entonces lo vamos a hacer con estos colores.
All right, brows are done, and now let's move on to some crazy eyes. So today I'm gonna be playing with the brand new Juvia's Place palette. This is the Festival, and ooh, if you love yourself a punch of color, hello. When you ask me what my favorite eyeshadow is formula-wise, blending-wise, pigmentation-wise, richness-wise, Juvia's Place. So today I wanted to create a look with this. I'm gonna be priming with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Color.
Bueno, ahora sí voy a utilizar concealer. Pero yo sí quiero ver una cosa. Yo utilicé el NARS en el color Custard Medium. Bueno.
Louise Makeup on Instagram. This is one of my favorite new techniques of priming the eyes, because it will just, and the magic trick behind this is you don't set this with a face powder. No, it sounds so unnatural, but you take a high coverage concealer, and I know Paige Louise is coming out with her own base, and then go straight in with your shadow. This is gonna get the most pigmentation out of the shadow. This is gonna get the most color payoff, the best blending. So not setting it with a face powder. I know when I first did it, I was like, but what? I tried it and I never went back. Like, I'm in love with this technique. I'm gonna go in with this.
Y normalmente uno después de hacer este paso, uno lo sella con polvo, con sombra, no sé, con lo que sea. Pero ella dice que no lo hagan. Entonces lo vamos a ver así. Y ya.
Red shade first called Izava. So as I'm...
Bueno, ella comienza con un rojo. Vamos a coger este en este caso. Y empieza a aplicarlo en esta zona como en forma circular.
I'm applying this. Hello, hi. Let me take you back to a couple of weeks ago to when I got invited by Benefit Cosmetics to fly to Amangiri, Utah. Let me tell you, when I got invited for this, I was like, Utah? Nothing wrong with Utah. It's just not one of those places that you think of when you think of like places you always wanted to go in your life. Let me tell you, I was so wrong. As soon as we got to Utah, Amangiri, I fell in love. And it literally looked like we landed upon a different planet. You know, one of the things I will not forget about that trip is the first night we all came in at the sort of welcoming party, Benefit went, all right, ladies, so we have 3 activities planned for you tomorrow that you need. And we see backpacks and we're like, okay, that's okay, backpacks. So I was excited. I was like, yes, hiking, doing this. And it was so much fun. And then we walk upon this mountain and the tour guide goes, all right, ladies, this is your time to open that backpack and let's get the gear out. And I'm like, get the gear out? And yes, indeed, there is a helmet, there's a harness, and there's like little clippy things. And I'm like, wait, hold up, wait a minute. Before I realize it, he is demonstrating how we're going to climb the mountain. My entire group has already went onto the mountain and...
Bueno, ahora coge un corrector. Voy a coger otra vez el de NARS. Me voy a aplicar en la mano. Va a ser como un tipo de cut crease. Muy raro.
What I learned from that. Okay, I'm cutting the lid with that concealer again. And I want to do a spotlight colorful creative eye today. And I'm trying to come up with a... sort of new shape.
Bueno, ya después de hacer esto con el concealer, ella vuelve y coge el mismo rojo y se lo aplica como a los lados de esta línea acá. Y ahora va a aplicar un blanco en todo lo que hicimos con el corrector.
So I want it thinnest and sort of like the center going down. It's sort of like an hourglass but more faded. So here it broadens again, but on the center of that lid it's very thin. See, it almost makes the lid look wet. You know what, since we're playing here anyways, I just got these Danessa Myricks waterproof cushion colors in, and this is a neon orange. And
bueno, el siguiente paso es que se hace una línea encima de este blanquito naranjada. Yo no tengo naranjada, pero tengo blanca y la voy a hacer blanca y después me la pinto naranjada.
I really want to put a small defined thin line at where the faux crease meets the color. Please don't let me down.
Bueno, hay algo que no les dije y es que adelanté un poquito el video porque me acordé que en la foto principal le vi la línea amarilla y ella se lo está haciendo naranjado, entonces no me cuadró y fue que cambió. Entonces, como yo no tengo delineador amarillo ni naranjado, simplemente lo hice amarillo de una vez.
dream. Putting the blue down, and suddenly I'm asking myself, why blue? Regretting all my life decisions. You know, I feel like this is another one of those looks that looks like total trash until you put the lashes on.
¿Qué tipo de morado aplico? Pero le apliqué este azul de acá y voy a aplicar este morado de acá.
But what happened was, it looked a little weird without a wing, so I added a wing, and then I was like, the blue is too contrasty compared to like what's going on top, so I added a little bit of purple and I added a little bit of pink here. That's basically.
Se hizo también la línea fuera de cámara, todo esto se hizo fuera de cámara. Y vamos a hacer una línea con el Tattoo Eyeliner de Kat Von D. O sea, la verdad no se imaginan lo raro que me siento horrible, es que es demasiado para mí. Bueno, hay algo que ya se hace y es ponerse pestañas postizas fuera de cámara y pestañina en la parte de abajo. Es decir, la muestra porque estamos usando como la pestañina que es de Bang, de Benefit, Bang Gang, yo no sé cómo se llama eso. Eso lo voy a hacer fuera de cámara y ya vuelvo. Bueno, y ella empieza a broncearse la cara, por así decirlo. Yo voy a utilizar el Hola de Benefit y simplemente voy a hacer como unos contornos suaves. Mentiras, hagámoslos. Es que ya yo no sé. No, hagámoslos fuertes. Con este maquillaje, hagámoslos fuertes.
On me, and I was like, honey, I cannot live my life like this. And she was like, you know what, just step out, try it, and see what people say. And if you feel good enough, I know what to do. And if you don't like it at all, we can always change it. I loved it. I'm not gonna lie, I loved it. At first, I was so scared walking into the room with all the influencers and all the makeup artists. I was like, people are gonna look like me like I'm crazy. Really gave my confidence a boost. So Sierra, thank you for saving my night. And then the following day was the Marc Jacob fashion show.
Yo no sé ella por qué, pero cuenta lo que se aplica, entonces ahí vi que está haciendo como, es que se está aplicando rubor. Entonces voy a aplicar este de Revlon.
So surreal. That was such a huge moment for me. And I'm so happy that I got to bring you guys with me and that you could be a part of it. Also, I went to see, oh, you know, the best tattoo artist of New York City and, in my opinion, of the world. He pretty much does all my tattoos nowadays.
Uno nuevo de Ofra que es como rosadito. Entonces yo lo que voy a hacer es aplicarme el iluminador normal, voy a aplicar el Soft and Gentle de MAC y voy a aplicar este rosadito acá muy sutilmente encima de lo que acabo de hacer.
And everything you wish for in a glow. Okay, and then for lips, I have the brand new Fenty Beauty lipsticks right here. So I definitely want to wear one of those with this crazy look right here.
Para esto vamos a utilizar la paleta de Anastasia. Ella está utilizando un color como este que está aquí. Y nada, simplemente lo voy a aplicar.
Here, so can we go for a nudish? Ooh, I like this shade. This is Up to No Good. Okay, and then a new gloss to kind of neutral it down.
Listo, y encima se aplica un brillo cualquiera. Yo me voy a aplicar este de Sammy. Bueno, y este fue el resultado final. Espero les haya gustado. Como pueden ver, ella es un poquito exagerada. Sin embargo, me encantó. Pues no es un look como voy a salir cauchillas con esto. La verdad es muy exagerado, pero me encantó el reto. Y más porque ella hacía cosas como fuera de cámara. Entonces yo era como, ¿qué hago? Obviamente hay cosas que me tocó hacer como yo pensaba que se hacían. Sin embargo, si les gustan este tipo de videitos que recreen maquillajes de Instagram o de YouTube, háganmelo saber. Y nada, espero les haya gustado. Nos vemos en un próximo video y no olviden darle like y suscribirse.
Okay guys, and that, after a long journey of a lot of colors and a lot of blending, is my glow around the world sit down, personal, get ready with me. And I definitely want to do more videos like this in the future. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know to do more just like this.